Hey viewers, as you guys can see, for the past couple of videos I've been filming in my place of residence on campus, and I'm sure a lot of you are wondering or might want to have asked me, what is my daily routine like? Well, I'll break it down for you. So, I have a mix of in-person and online classes this semester because obviously with COVID still prevalent, it's still a little difficult for us to have back to normal classes, all of us back into a tightly packed lecture hall. So of course, I only have lectures and tutorials on Wednesdays. So I'm going to give you what my daily life is like on Wednesdays because I guess that is the best representation of what life would be like uh, with some semblance of normalcy. So, I'm an early sleeper, early waker because I believe that the early bird catches the worm, and I just feel like sleeping early, waking up early, I just feel a lot more productive for some reason because I'm up and I'm like, wow, I got a lot of hours left in the day and I feel like I can tackle the world, right? So I wake up in this very bed at around 7:30, 8 in the morning, which is it's pretty early, but I used to get up way earlier back in high school, elementary school. Obviously, I would go do whatever's necessary, clean my face, brush my teeth, get breakfast, and then I would work all the way until noon, have lunch, and then after lunch, I would take a little bit of a break, which is what time it is right now. While as of this video, I'm taking a break. Do things that I love. So either I do a little bit of coding, I check out the stock market, which I have a pretty massive portfolio in right now. I would do view videos, I would watch YouTube videos, whatever, right? It's just time off for me. And then after that, I might head on down to the library, go study a little bit more as long as the weather permits. Go do any chores that I need to do. And then at night, I do a little bit more work, maybe read a couple of notes, read some textbooks, hang with friends, get on a call, maybe play one or two computer games, and then after that, I do my nighttime exercise routine, take a shower, clean myself up, and then I go to sleep by like 10 p.m. So that's my daily schedule, and it's worked really well. I've been really productive, I've been getting things done, and yeah, that's my daily life. Alright, I'll see you guys in another video.